Hi guys, this is Matthew again. This is our second strategy for today, 1st of February 2021. Really before we proceed, just to let you guys know that the TOUCHSCALPER boot version 5.1 is out today, and we have sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boot. Just check your email. If you have previously purchased the boot, we've sent 2 versions of the boot today. The updated version 5.1 is out today. For those who haven't purchased the boat, you know what to do. Visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and all that. And here the boat is just 9.99 USD. As you can see right here, is very affordable and effective. The version 5.1 is out today. We have sent it to all those who have previously purchased the book. You can see the results today, 1st of February 2021, as deriv, that's this binary.com, 1st of February 2021. You know what to do. Visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. And for those who haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER boat, we've updated the PIPSREAPER boat today again. We've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat at no extra cost. Just check your email. If you have previously purchased the boat is also very effective. And here are the results. The boat is just 7.99 USD. You can make payment using Bitcoin as well, web money, bank, perfect transfer, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and all that. So to purchase the boat, just visit www.binarypipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. It's just 7.99 USD. As you can see, here are some of the results today, 1st of February 2021. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. This is our second strategy for today, and we'll be trading the goes outside volatility 75 index. So I'm using the web trader again. Once you've logged into the web trader, you go to trade, you open the synthetic indices volatility 75 index. So once you do that, you click on the in and out, and the duration is 3 minutes. The high barrier is plus 158.0747. the low barrier, you set it to minus 710.9254. so you can stake higher, you can stake lower, depends on what you have in your account. So let's just go for the first trade after like 30 seconds. As I'm using the timer, you can get a free timer on our website www.nigeriacruise.com. just check the video description link. You will see the YouTube link to subscribe to our channels, and you will see the link to download a free timer on our forum website, and you will see the link to subscribe to our YouTube channels and links to purchase the boat. There's a link to purchase the boat right here. So this is a link to purchase the PIPSREAPER boats, www.binarypipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, and this is a link to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER boats, www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and this is a link to subscribe to our channel. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to download a free timer for those who don't have one. Just go to the forum website, check the binary options section right there. So let's get back to the trading. So I'm going to click on purchase now, then review the trade. So this is the entry spots. This is the current spot. We are even close. We are close. Minus 0.95. We are close. We can even sell at market when we hit profit. You can quickly sell. You can see that's 3 point something. I need more profit, so I can easily sell at market here. But let me just wait for the trade to close by itself, because we are almost close to the low barrier. We are almost close to the low barrier. Almost close again to the low barrier 933. pushing up again. This button will disappear soon. So if you are selling at market, you can quickly sell once you are in profit, but you can as well wait for the trade to end. We are moving close to the high barrier 860, close to the low barrier again 77752 861. We still have about a minute 41 seconds left. Close to the low barrier again. Okay, we are pushing close to the low barrier. We just need few pips. 937, 650, 6454. You can see we hit the low barrier, so we want that trade, and we have some few seconds left right there. So this is the exit spot 495.860.495.97. 495 is lower than 650, so we want that trade. It's plus 18.20%. So we can go for another trade after a few seconds. Okay, let's go for another trade now. Okay, this is the current spot. This is the low barrier 859. This is the high barrier. The time counts. Close to high barrier. You can see we already won that trade on the higher barrier. So this is the exit spot 862.3471597, which is higher than this. 347 is higher than 138, so we want that trade on the higher barrier. So you can go on and on and on by using this strategy. Just give it some time before you go for the next trade. Just give you some time. You can even scale up and make about 15 USD. So let's just place one more trade before we proceed to another strategy. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So we'll make 15 USD. Yeah, let's place the last trade. Okay, we're going in now. So we're in. Let's view. There's a current spot. We are pushing close to high barrier. I'm moving close to high barrier, in between the high and the low barrier, and these are time counts. This is low barrier. Sell at market has disappeared, so you have to wait for the time counts. close to the low barrier. You can see we already won that trade right here. We already won that trade on the low barrier. The exit spot is 860.859.4791, which is lower than the low barrier. 892 is higher than 859, so we won that trade on the low barrier. So don't forget, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boot, the version 5.1 is out today. Just visit www.touchscalper.citywitetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boot. It's just 9.99 USD. And here are the results for today of February 1st 2021. And for those who haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER boot as well, it's also very effective, and it has been updated today as well, and we've sent the update to all those who have previously purchased the boot. Here are some of the results again for the PIPSREAPER boot. To purchase this boot, just 7.99 USD. Just visit www.binarypipsreaperboot.citywitetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boot. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.